Hello, it's Mark from 2dogrc, showing some setup tricks and tips for the Dualsky Hornet quadcopter. Now this is what I've done to make it just a little bit easier to fly. A little more stable for just some FPV flying and just flying along some nose-in hovers and stuff like that. Basically helping me learn to fly this. The first thing I want to talk about is our rate switch. Now up here, I've got a Spektrum DX7. This is your gear switch up here. And what you do is you go to your travel adjustment page and you go to gear. You're going to see a plus and a minus value. What you want to do is note where your switch is, where it says minus. Minus means it decreases the sensitivity or the gain on your gyro for the quad. And this is for all the control surfaces. So I have mine switched towards me. That gives me negative 150%. So it tones it down quite a bit. Now if I want to go a little more crazy and do some flips and rolls, you flip the switch. Now the arrow moves to plus 100%. The next thing I did to make it a little easier to fly was I came over here and I set up some dual rates on my elevator and aileron. The switches up here for elevator and aileron, both up, I have set just normal. Linear, expo, dual rate 100%. This is where they need to be also to arm your quad. When you do this, it won't work if you change the dual rate. So what I did was I changed my elevator and aileron to a dual rate of about 57% for my elevator and 59% for my aileron. What I wanted to do was make it so that it would be more stable just when you pop it off the ground, and also to learn how much am I over controlling this, and this makes it really easy to fly. So what I do, and that's a dual rate down here, what I do is this gear switch towards me to start, these switches up, so that's going to give you a dual rate of 100%. I arm the quad, the motor spin, then I flip my switches down, and now I go fly. And now I'm flying at the lower rate. Now to warn you on this one, this does make it more docile, but also if you get way out of control, you're going to have to put a lot of control input in to bring it back to a neutral state or to counter what's going on. This is Mark from 2dogrc. If you got more questions, visit 2dogrc.com. Just like that. Thank you. And don't forget to like the video down below, and don't forget to subscribe for more awesome videos.